matter how careful I am, this saw kicks back. It's super dangerous. I've had a couple near accidents. My legs are in a terrible state. I've had a terrible outbreak of eczema, and it's healing up now, but throughout this video, they're pretty nasty. Sorry about that. If anybody wants to buy this one from me, it's for sale. One of my next jobs is to clean these iron beams and get them ready for priming. I'm here to answer the question, how do you fit a 2-meter long bed in a 1-meter long box? Let's see. I think I need a coffee and a carrot cake with acorn flour before I tackle this project. decided on what color to paint this ceiling. Pretty excited about that decision. There are more than 150 bits. It'll take a while. I'm going to put you on time lapse because this is going to take ages. It is truly shocking what crap this thing is. It is the single worst piece of anything I've ever bought. Half of the nails strip before they can be turned, half of them. The other half are okay, which is really crazy because obviously they're shoddy and obviously they were thrown in here knowingly. Oh, it's unbelievable, and it's ugly, ugly. It was supposed to be real wood, and these were MDF. That's how it was advertised. And this is just complete crap, and this is the wood. Completely stripped before they can go in. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. And then the other half are fine. They look the same, so you can't tell. That's it. Box is empty. So the whole idea of buying this thing was that it'll be a temporary bed for me here, just to keep the dust away, and that eventually I'd put it up on the roof and use it as a sunbed. It was everything I could do not to go directly to the skip with it, and just, I mean, now I just want to walk it into the trash, but I will resist the temptation. Salvage whatever I can out of it.
because I was so upset about this one being such a piece of crap from the moment I bought it. So I'm really glad that, incidentally, my neighbor needed to get rid of a bed frame.
It's time to begin plastering the back wall. This will be the last outside wall that needs completion. Be sure to tune in next week, again on Monday at 4 o'clock, because we're going to finally finish this shed. I've had 2 parts on this thing so far. The third part is a miracle. You will not believe what happens. Don't forget to drop your likes and comments, and if you're not subscribed already, please do.